So for inlays, you really don't need a 3D part. Terry has just used a set of curves, and let's turn this stock off. So he's got the boundaries drawn of the fret neck and the fretboard itself, and he's got the inlay locations drawn. And if you look here, he's got some inlays, mother of pearl inlays here, and he's got two sets of curves in here. And you'll notice that, you know, some of them are larger and stick out in areas, you know, than the other curves. So basically what's going on here is he's got a pocketing operation, okay? And then he's got a finishing, I mean, a remachining operation in the corners. And let's go ahead and let's just regenerate these. Okay, so we got some nice clean edges. So basically he's relieving the pocket for the pearl inlay. And you'll see that in other areas up here as well. Now we do have in our profiling operation, we do have a new option now that allows you to add those areas automatically.
So I want to, hey Don, I want to take a minute here and talk about the refinishing or the remachining operation that we have. We do have this option called remachining in 2.5 axis, where the cutter you can use a smaller tool to get into areas where the larger tool couldn't get in. So that's what Don's displaying. Can you open up that parameter dialog, Don?
Yep.
So this is available in the Pro version, Pro configuration. If you look at the cut parameters, so you can specify your previous operation and the tool diameter that you used in the previous operation, and then it can come in with either a offset, a stock offset, or a part offset, pocketing, facing, or profiling toolpath to clean it up. That's what Don is showing here, and this is called 2.5 axis remachining. And then as far as the relief operation for the inlays, for the female portion of the inlays, we do have in our profiling operation in 2021, we've added some functions. Can you open up the parameters? In the advanced cornering options, we have some cornering parameters that allow you to do the relief directly without having to model it like you actually modeled here, that Don is showing. The user has actually modeled it here and taken a lot of pains, but we don't need to do that anymore because we can add the cornering directly in our profiling operations.
And you have the internal
dog bones.
Yep.
So the tool will actually go out a little bit, specified by the distance.
Create that automatically for you in the corners. Okay, let's look at the mother of pearl part. I want to show you this part. So here, let's go ahead and regenerate this again. Okay, so he's got his mother of pearl stock, and he's got that stock mounted on an MDF block. And to get an idea of how Terry did this, let's go ahead and look at, let's see which one. Okay, so here you'll see that he's got his mother of pearl stock laying on top of his MDF boards, and he's machining 4 sets at a time. And then also you'll see that I don't have a picture of it. I thought I did. Let's go ahead and look at the final part. So here is the final mother of pearl inlay on the fretboard. Now, you might say to yourself, well, you know, won't you see those extra cuts or pockets or relief areas? As you can see here, no. I assume that Terry just filled them in with a little bit of material, and then did the finishing on the hand finishing on the top, and it looks perfect. I mean, it's beautiful. Looks good, Terry.